Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can export a single element in your web design drafts on Penpot in SVG file format. So let us dive into this. Start by navigating to your design draft here in the Penpot web designer. Select layers, choose a page, and then go through your page's components or elements here to pick the one you would like to save. So let me go with this ellipse here. Left click into it. Here on the right hand side, switch from prototype to design, and then click into that plus button next to export. Before you export the given element though, switch to SVG from that drop down menu, switch from PNG to SVG, and then start the exporting by clicking into this button, and then just going to save and export the selected element in the given file format on your device. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.